Throw Avocado and Throw Burrito combo game, how to play. The rules are the same as both base set games except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out the videos in the description below. During setup, use the 6 avocado boo-boos, the Avocado Fear Me badge, 2 avocados, 2 burritos. Take the Throw Burrito deck and remove the 36 battle cards and replace them with the special combo cards from the envelope. The new combo cards are Scatter Brawl. The player to your right and left are in a battle. You grab all 4 throwables and toss them from the table separately in any direction. Once finished, shout go, and the battling players must race to grab and throw them at each other. The first player hit loses the battle. Burrito War and Avocado War. Call out the type of war it is as you play it. And now, all the other players are in a war and must use the corresponding throwable based on what was played. The first player hit loses the war. It is okay to grab the wrong throwable, but if you throw the incorrect throwable, then you lose the war. Double Up Duel. Pick any 2 players to team up against a third player. Both players on the team take 1 avocado each, and the single player takes both burritos. The single player is allowed to hold as many throwables at the same time as they want. They now perform a duel as in regular Throw Burrito, with the team walking away together away from the single player. If either player on the team gets hit, then they both lose and both take a boo-boo.